We're with you at 800 feet for 4,000.
Jamaica 016 Heavy New York, your radar contact, climb and maintain for 6,000.
Climb and maintain 6,000 now, Jamaica 016.
Jamaica 16 Heavy New York, ahead.
Yeah, we need to slow down. We have a minor problem here. We might not be going anywhere.
Alright, Jamaica 16 Heavy, what altitude do you want to maintain for now?
4,000, is that okay?
Yeah, 4,000 is fine, speed your discretion, flighting 140.
Heading 140, Jamaica 016. Okay, New York, Jamaica 01716.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the problem was we had a gear door stuck down, and we recycled the gear. It didn't come up, so we were thinking about coming back there, and all of a sudden it just came up by itself. So we would like to proceed en route now.
All right, would you like to take another minute to think about this? We don't want to be hasty.
Yeah, I know. Okay, if you don't mind giving us another minute.
Very good, sir. Fly heading 110.
Heading 110, Jamaica 016. Jamaica 016.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the consensus is that we go because we can always come back.